Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best drawing tablets in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these drawing tablets, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 22. The best drawing tablet overall. Big, bold, and beautiful. Wacom is a big name in digital art, and it's easy to see why. Delivering superior pressure sensitivity, great value, and artist-first features, it's only in recent years that rivals have offered much competition. The Wacom Cintiq is a pen display tablet and Wacom's answer to contest general-use tablets such as the iPad. It's a fully realized drawing tablet with plenty of space to create, and we think it's the best all-round option for value, size, design, and features. Given its size, performance, and HD resolution, it's priced pretty competitively. And while other tablets and laptops may offer slightly more in the graphics department, the larger screen lends itself to detailed work and a smoother user experience. The 22-inch panel gives artists plenty of room in which to play. But even the smaller, 15.6-inch panel far exceeds the size and quality of many other tablets on this list. The tablet features folding legs, which feel solid and secure in use and clip away neatly into the rear of the device, or you can also attach a third-party tablet stand. The Cintiq is fantastic for all artists, from hobbyists to professionals, and despite its pretty approachable price tag, offers a really impressive drawing experience. The Slate has an incredibly high LPI resolution of 5080, and when paired with the wonderful Wacom Pro Pen 2, which has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and is widely considered to be the best stylus available, the Slate is about as good as it gets for precision. One of our only gripes is that it doesn't have shortcut buttons, but you can always buy the Wacom Express Key remote separately. Number 2. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro. The best value drawing tablet. Pro quality at a pretty price. XPPen is one of industry giant Wacom's biggest competitors, offering more affordable tablets that still pack a punch for performance and design quality. The XPPen Artist Pro pen display is lightweight and customizable thanks to its 8 programmable buttons, which allow you to map out your most used functions. There's also a red dual control dial that allows you to pan, scroll, rotate, zoom, and change the brush size. This tablet has a bright, fully laminated HD display with 1920 x 1080 resolution and is available in a range of other sizes, from a petite 11.6-inch to a massive 21.5-inch display. Soon, XPPen will be launching a 23.8-inch model, too. The bigger screens are a little too heavy, perhaps, and smaller screens offer less room in which to play, but the Artist 15.6 Pro is a particularly good size for artists on the go. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro comes with the XPPen Stylus, which, thanks to its newly developed X3 Smart chip, delivers great performance at 1192 levels of pressure sensitivity and up to 60-degree tilt. However, it isn't quite as strong as the Wacom Pro Pen 2 in terms of tilt response and how it feels with which to draw. It also comes with a separate tablet stand, which is a little flimsy, a drawing glove, and a handy, sturdy pen holder. At its list price, the Artist Pro series delivers great value given the quality on offer. But better still are the regular discount and sale prices you'll see throughout the year. While the Artist Pro offers the best quality and features you can get at this price point, it feels a little cheaply made and delivers a slightly inferior stylus and drawing experience, and so is just edged out by the Cintiq's sleek hardware, stylus, and drawing experience. Number 3. iPad Pro 12.9-inch. The best general-use tablet. Good for drawing and everyday use. Without a shadow of a doubt, the iPad Pro is the best general-use tablet for drawing. And the most recent 12.9-inch model is a real treat for artists, delivering plenty of power, a brilliant display, and wonderful canvas size. Plus, it's ultra-portable, which is more than can be said for its competition. As mentioned earlier, all graphics tablets and most pen displays need to be plugged into external devices. While the iPad Air, at number 5 in our best drawing tablets guide, is lightweight and more affordable, the iPad Pro takes the lead with its brighter mini LED Liquid Retina XDR 12.9-inch screen. You can, of course, opt for the slightly smaller 11-inch iPad Pro model, but the display on that model isn't quite as impressive. Images refresh twice as fast as on many other tablets thanks to the iPad Pro's 120Hz refresh rate, meaning you have at your fingertips super fast, super responsive drawing potential. Add to this the impressive pressure sensitivity of the Apple Pencil 2, which must be bought separately, and the iPad Pro becomes a serious contender. The only thing missing is a tactile screen finish for that real pen-to-paper feel, but you can remedy this by investing in a paper-textured screen protector. Housing the M.O.N. chip, the iPad Pro is easily the most powerful tablet for drawing and editing images. In addition, iPadOS is compatible with a whole host of creative apps, so you're much less limited than on other tablets. While the newer 2022 model of the iPad Pro brings certain benefits, it's worth noting it's not done much for artists that's worth writing home about when compared to the older version. So we'd recommend keeping an eye out for the hopefully soon-to-be cheaper 2021 version. Number 4. XENCELABS Drawing Tablet. The best graphics tablet, no display, no problem. While XENCELABS isn't a well-known name, it certainly made an impact when it debuted in 2022 with the XENCELABS Pen tablet. Unlike our top 3 picks, which all arrive with built-in displays, the XENCELABS Pen tablet is a conventional graphics tablet that needs to be used in conjunction with an external monitor, which makes it a better option for those concerned about the fragility of pen display screens, or those who want to keep to a tighter budget. In terms of what you'd want from a graphics tablet, it ticks all of the boxes, delivering a brilliant blend of sleek, robust design, portability, and power at a surprisingly reasonable price. The tablet is ergonomically designed with a comfortably curved front edge, which is more than can be said for many rival drawing tablets, and it nails one of the most crucial aspects of graphic tablet design with the texture of its surface, offering a decent level of resistance for a realistic and easy drawing experience. In addition to the tablet itself, the bundle comes with 2 battery-free styluses, which can be individually programmed, encompassing 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels, and a pen case. There's also a configurable quick key remote, which in itself is a unique feature that sets the XENCELABS Pen tablet apart from rival devices. While the tablet is pretty lightweight and easy to carry, these separate elements do mean you have 2 extra components to account for. But it's a small price to pay for a comprehensive and high-quality setup. Reasons to buy: fully customizable key actuation, delightfully tactile key clicks. Reasons to avoid: built-in twin cable isn't the most flexible. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Pro 8. The best Windows drawing tablet. Great for Windows users. The Surface Pro 8 is the closest Microsoft has come to contending Apple in the tablet space, but it might leave creatives wanting when compared to the iPad Pro. However, it's a huge jump up from the Surface Pro 7. On test, we found it was nearly 50% faster. The Surface has a responsive and vibrant 2880 x 1920 panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and adaptive color technology. In short, it displays good color, detail, and responsiveness. Plus, the Surface Pro 8 is compatible with the highly responsive Surface Pen stylus, sold separately. However, since the basic configuration of the Surface Pro 8 is comparable to the iPad Pro 12.9 in price, it's worth noting that it's a long way from delivering the gorgeous, vibrant display that Apple offers. Similarly, in testing, the iPad Pro generally wins out for performance. You can opt for better configurations, but this will naturally drive up the price. The Surface Pro 8 is a viable option for digital creatives that require a tablet that will work in the Windows ecosystem, which is great if you want access to the full desktop version of creative software such as Photoshop. And it's also a lot better for multitasking than the iPad Pro currently. However, realistically, those are the only aspects in which it wins out if you're specifically looking at multipurpose tablets. Reasons to buy: runs Windows 11, very bright and responsive display, faster than previous Surface. Reasons to avoid: stylus not included, not as well priced as others listed.